Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing fine. So this reading is for all the Taurus people. Sun, Moon, Rising, you versus me for the month of September. So you can think of a person in your mind, and even if you don't have any specific name in your mind, then you can just think of we are just going to tap into your potential partner's energy. Okay, so let's see what do we have for Taurus. Fortune, King of Arrows, and Four of Arrows. Wow, lovely energy. I think finally you are being able to relax in your life, Taurus. Okay, finally I do see an energy where you have given all your troubles to someone, where you have given this mind of yours to someone, and you don't have to worry about anything. And this is going to be the biggest fortune of your life. This is going to be the biggest gift of your life. Okay, let me tell you this. We are going to elaborate this reading, but first let's pick the cards for them energy as well. Justice, Tradition, and we have Grace. Oh my god, such lovely energies. I just feel that September is going to be an extremely important month for romantic life and all of that. Like, either you are going to be in it completely or you're going to be pulled out of it. So this is what I see here. Let me pull one. Clearing karma, Kundalini. See, I do feel that you have cleansed some karma already. Okay, you whatever you had to clean. Okay, जो भी karma आपको clean करना था related to your past or whatever, वो सब चीज़ें clean हो चुकी हैं. ओके, जो भी चीज़ें बैलेंस में आनी थी, जो भी कार्मिक अकाउंट बैलेंस में आने की नीड थी, वो हो चुका है. वट एवर यू हैड टू डू इन ऑर्डर टू रेज योर कुंडलिनी, दैट हैज़ टेकन प्लेस. यू हैव completely, you're just doing it. Like, now you don't have anything to fear. Now you don't have to fear about your karmas. You don't have to fear about your past life karmas, this life karmas, or whatever, especially when it comes to your love life. I do see a very beautiful aura around you. Okay, and this aura is about where love, passion, compassion, attraction, your feminine energy, it's basically you're all Shaktified. Okay, you are becoming all Shaktified. This is what I see here. Talking about your energy, which is the you energy, I do feel that you are dealing with someone who's really smart. This person knows how to use their mind, when to use their mind, and this person knows when to use their soft side also. Okay, so probably when it comes to dealing with the society, when it comes to dealing with people, this person will always use their sword. But when it comes to you, and only you, this person is going to keep this soft energy for you. So you are dealing with someone like that, and I think this is the person that you've always wanted. This is the kind of person that you have admired throughout your life, desired in your entire life. So this is what is happening here. Okay, and also this is going to be a big fortune for you, because you are going to get a few messages, few downloads, few dreams from angels, from your spirit guides, probably from Guruji as well. And you will be getting messages regarding what is exactly happening in your life, why universe has put this person into your life, or something like that. So also I do feel that if you get married to this person, though I do see that you will be getting married to this person, so if you get married to this person, I do see that this is happening so that you can follow your purpose, so that you can follow a dream of yours, so that you can follow a hobby of yours, okay? With passion, with complete soft energy, with complete relaxing energy. And this is why this person is like a fortune into your life, because this person will give you the space and freedom to do whatever you want to do, okay? Also, you will feel so much at ease with this person, okay? This person is not going to give you all dimagi cheezein and all of that when you are with this person. This person believes in, you know, putting their mind aside when they are with you, okay? And they are just going to be yours and yours and yours, and you are going to feel this. You will have the sense of belongingness. You will feel that yes, this person is completely about you, this person is completely into you, okay? So this is what you are going to feel when you will be with this person. You will feel that, you know, every night when you sleep with this person, you're going to feel that I have the world with me, I don't need anything. You're going to have the most beautiful nights. If in the past you had cried a lot, you had, you know, insomnia and this and that, some were going through depression also, because ye jo the amount and the quality of rest that I can see, that I can feel in your energy for the month of September, I think it's coming after a really 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 long time, probably after ages. So you're going to, you know, cherish this feeling a lot, you're going to cherish the moment a lot. And talking about the them energy now, so I do feel that your person is really going to, you know, cherish you. This person is really going to give you the justice that you deserve. This person, so if you are thinking that whether this person is going to support your work or not, of course yes, this person will support you with the work, even with the finances or anything that you need in order to, you know, live your dream. So you have the grace of universe, you have the grace and mercy of God, and even this person is very much blessed by God. So this person is definitely coming to you to save your dream, not to save you, okay? This person wants to make sure that you live your dream. So this is how this entire damsel in distress thing is happening, okay? Here your dream is more into that, has been more into that energy jahan pe your dream needed a protection, your purpose needed a protection, not you. And this is what is happening. This person is coming where this person is not only going to protect you whenever required, but this person is going to protect your purpose, okay? They have a huge role in protecting your purpose. And I do feel that someone really, you know, consumed a lot of your energy, someone really stabbed into your heart, but this person is bringing this heart back into your life. So that energy is definitely there, and I do see that, you know, it's going to feel like ki pehla pyar hai aur ye hai wo hai. You will feel that you have never really dated someone. You're going to feel that you're falling in love for the first time. You will feel that, you know, this is, or you will experience everything as if, you know, ये चीज़ तो मैंने कभी experience ही नहीं की, ऐसा तो कभी हुआ ही नहीं है. So this is the kind of energy that you're going to experience in the month of September. And I just really wish you guys best of luck, and I really hope that this happens in the month of September. I'm not going to go into ifs and buts wala energy. I just feel that this happens, and I feel I wish the best for you, and whatever karma that needed to release, it's all been released now. So take care. Bye bye.